This is a special Farms.com report. It's USDA report day. My name is Agostino, Managing Commodity Strategist with Farms.com Risk Management. And going into this 2013 USDA WASDE report for December, market was anticipating very little change, some slight adjustments in demand, but very little change in production numbers, and that's what they got. This was a non-event for both corn and beans. Ending stocks on corn came in at 1.792 billion bushels, 79 million bushels less than the market expectations of 1.871. That's 95 million less than last month. Global carryout for corn slightly lower at 162.5 million metric tons. Argentina corn slightly higher at 26 million metric tons, and Brazil corn slightly lower at 70 million metric tons. So this is a neutral report for corn, maybe slightly bullish versus expectations, but the close is always the most important. But I think we might have to see the market trade one more time to the lows. We do believe that the production numbers will be changed in January. Typically, that's what the USDA does. They reserve that for January, report the final number. Probably looking like higher numbers. But at the end of the day, whether it's 1.8, 1.9, or 2 billion bushels, it's still a very large crop. This won't matter long term. I think you're going to have to wait till maybe the second quarter of next year, looking for the battle for acres or any weather issues to drive prices higher. For beans, market was looking for 153 million in ending stocks. The market came in at 150. So neutral. Market had rallied going into this report, so I wouldn't be surprised if the funds do take some profits here. 1350 on January beans is resistance, and of course there is a gap up to 1378 and then eventually 14. But if you got any beans in storage, I think now is the time to sell. We may get that Christmas rally if China continues to buy, but I think once we get into the new year, I think the USDA again throws some bigger production numbers, and that would be bearish for beans. Global carryout came in slightly lower at 70.6 million metric tons. Argentina came in at 54.5, slightly lower, and Brazil also slightly lower at 88 million metric tons. And then finally, wheat. This was a bearish report for wheat. Everybody knew about the Stats Canada report with a record Western Canada wheat, all wheat at 37.5, so it drove global carryout up to 182.8. But ending stocks came in at 575 million versus expectations of 540. They did change imports up 10 million. Hard bread spring wheat carryout also up by 10 million to 202. But the market was, the wheat market was falling into this report, testing the lows. There's nothing this report tells me that the funds will need to cover that short, so I'm not sure you're going to get a Christmas rally in the wheat. Hopefully you're sold on old crop and conservatively sold on new crop. Until next time, thanks for watching. Have a great day. If you like what you're watching, want to try a free trial of our marketing program, call Joshua at 877-438-5729, extension 5028, or just click on the ad below. Take care.
This video is brought to you by Farms.com Risk Management, where we provide leading grains and livestock commodity marketing advice and services. Sign up for a free trial of our marketing recommendations and newsletter.